Hello, flashlight people. I recently like this Klarus XT2C pretty much. It's a cool design. Premium XML T6 in the orange peel reflector. Its 470 lumens is real, very bright in this kind of flashlights. You know, regular head to CR123A powered. This button system is very unique but very useful. Protruding a bit. So it can be accidentally activated like this. So a bit loosening is a good idea not to activate this one accidentally. Okay? Anyways, this button okay, is protruding more than this one. This one hiding, this one protruding, because the button height is different, like this. This one lower, so a bit difficult to push, but much easy, no problem. Okay, like this. Very comfortable quick feel and activation of the strobe and brightness cycling. Very easy, and always start with this turbo mode. It's a tactical style light. Anyway, this company likes this orange peel very much. Regularly, orange peel is for wider hotspot and no dark hole or fuzzy borderline of the hotspot. So this will weaken the throw. Smooth reflector is genuinely for a long throw. This turbo head is genuinely for a long throw. For long throw and wider hotspot. Strange policy. Anyhow, let's see the actual beam pattern on the wall as always. Okay. First, Klarus orange peel reflector. Next, jet beam smooth reflector, like this, very different. You can see the dark hole on this one. You can see the fuzzy borderline, this one. Typical difference between the two. And this is brighter, 650 lumens. This is 600 lumens. This comparison will be very interesting. This is Klarus XT2C to the center tree there, 40 years. Like this. This is Klarus XT2C. This one, Klarus XT11. XT11. 40 years there, maybe 50 years or such. 40 years. XT2C, XT11, 600 lumens, 470 lumens. The hotspot is narrower a bit. This one, Jet Beam BC25. Klarus XT11. What do you think? This difference. Okay, let's go back. You know, greenhouse is a very good target. From here to the greenhouse, 40 years. This is Klarus XT2C, 470 lumens. This is Klarus XT11, 600 lumens. Much brighter. Much brighter. And last one, Jet Beam BC25. BC25 is the brightest. This difference. Spear size same. This is Jet Beam BC, smooth reflector. This is Klarus XT, orange peel reflector. Okay, that's it. I reached a conclusion that even if for 70 lumens this type was defeated by this type of turbo heads, and this smooth reflector defeated the orange peel reflector in the mounting field in woods. You know, very strong throw is useful for a sudden bear coming, just in my case. And the spear size and brightness is the same between the two. If use this one for urban tactics, you can carry this one in this holster like this on the back. Very good, not so heavy. Klarus XT2C, it's my urban tactical. Much lighter, but if you don't care about this bulk and weight, it's good for urban tactics. Kind of floody light, but for mountaineering, this Jet Beam BC20 is a better flashlight. That's my conclusion. It's a well-balanced flashlight, long throw, and a wide spill. Highly recommended. Jet Beam BC25. It's a simple operation. No strobe. No strike bezel, but it's a practical right for mountaineering people. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.